In the latest announcement, Eurosport has revealed that Bollywood actor and motorcycle enthusiast John Abraham has been roped in as the face of MotoGP in India. The channel has been broadcasting and streaming MotoGP races in India for a while, and now, with John Abraham on board, hopes to popularize the sports furthermore in the country. In a bid to attract the masses towards the MotoGP and cultivate a habit to follow a sport, this is tantalizing to watch, to say the least, and the channel will be holding events with John Abraham and leverage his fan following to achieve its objectives. While Valentino Rossi remains one of the all-time greats for John, currently he says that it's Marc Marquez whose dangerously riding style he's a big fan of.